everyone?
We are here, right now in Berjaya Times Square, KL.
But guess what, folks? We are going to be adjudicating the world's largest ever built capsule vending machine. That's right.
Official adjudicator coming down from all the way from UK, I believe.
If you have came down to support us, we would truly like to extend our heart-warm feelings to you all. Thank you so much for coming down here. Wanakam. That's all our media friends are here, and we are getting ready to kickstart this adjudication.
Check us out in a while. Peace.
We have about 120,000 prizes give the credit to our marketing team. We thought through very well.
I have myself first-hand witnessed the joy. Congratulations, Berjaya Times Square. Congratulations, Malaysia.